And I'm only seeing it now because, anyway, I'm eating. I'm having a snack, some grapes, apple, and a muffin. This is not the best of muffins. Actually, I'm calling it so I can enjoy my fruit. It's a Saturday morning. Well, no, it's a Saturday afternoon. It's just after 1. Just had a late start to the day. I decided to stay in bed. Like, kind of before 7 beding on a Saturday. Just relax. I even had breakfast in bed. I'm thinking now I need to actually think of lunch. So that's why I'm improvising with the snack. I did this thing skew. Okay, it's fine. Wait. Actually, it is skew. It is skew. Let's see. I don't know. It doesn't appear skew, but I can see that it's skew. Yeah. Welcome to a new vlog. I feel energetic today, so much so I figured let me share the energy across to you guys. I don't know where my it's in the dining area. I'm actually looking for my mic, but I just remembered the camera bag is in the dining area, so definitely my mic is in there. I just feel like I've got a little extra energy namhlanje, so I just wanted vlog. Vuyokazi and all that stuff. I'm wearing a dress, and it's for some I was like, oh, it's winter. Put on a jersey. Yeah. I actually want to finish editing the Maldives video. I hope you guys would have received it well. I've been trying to edit it for like a week and a half. Mind the ends and the egg. There's just certain clips that keep getting corrupted. Of which I've actually, you know what, let me not talk about that vlog because you would have watched it. But I just struggled. That's all I needed to say, is that I'm struggling with it. And today I'm just gonna get it out. I no longer like uploading on a Sunday, but it looks like it's gonna be a Sunday or later today. No, Sunday. I'm not doing anything today. I actually thought that was a Teams call, like I just heard a Teams sound in the background, but there's no sight of that. I'm looking for scissors because I need to remove these. Yes, bona guys, I think it's been a month and zindala ngoku, like they still seem clean and everything, but I need to go. The curls are kind of still there, but I think I'm just tired of it. I can't seem to find a pair of scissors. And I'm also scared as a kitchen in as much as I can wash it, but I'm also scared as a kitchen. So I'm gonna try and find a pair of scissors and try and remove these. I actually thought I was gonna ask my husband to just take me to CBD. Doing this khulule phayana bazihlambile zami baniflehe. I mean, it would be faster if ngikhulwa ngamnye umuntu or something. I just feel like I'm not cut out for khulule braids anymore. I've done it for the most parts of 15 years of my life, or longer. Not even, actually, longer than that. Good 25 years of my life, I want to khulule braids. And I'm enough. I'm enough. That's the problem. That's the problem. Anyway, we'll spend the day together. Maybe I'll make a sound. Maybe Crocs. Let me show you what I'm wearing. This is what I'm wearing. This dress, if you can see it here. This dress, the Crocs. I am very comfortable. I figured let me wear this dress because I don't feel it on my skin, but I just had to be warm without being bulky. Yeah. And to go na kufumbela. My lips are going through the most. I just need to massively apply a DCT and I'll be fine. Also moisturize my hands actually because I was cleaning up the kitchen. So yeah. I mean, I could still keep it, but yo guys, I'm not a person to do edges because I mean I think they would look fresh, but man, it's giving. Do you mind? So let's just get some messy. And I thought I'd have energy to sort of like repack the unused spaces so that I can clearly see what's in this house and what's not. And I can manage my space better. Like I can actually take all those bags and move it up top. And then lastly, because most of his things are things that have not been used, been here for months, lastly, or all the things I'm not wearing, I'm just like a cottage so that I can just free up some space. And I was also thinking of changing lip bedding because it's been in this same like duvet cover for ages. So I just want to change it up. It's all good. It dust sort of piled up. So wash this, change it up, give it some color and structure. Headboard up. Alternatively, take this bed, go put it in the cottage. The thing is, this bedroom is our laundry bedroom, and this is the first stop because this is the first bedroom. First stop, I drop it here. But if I don't know, man. I'm just contemplating. I thought it's hard it does. I thought there's some things walking in my garden. Because I'm thinking maybe I can use this space as like an office area. Take like office desk and move it here with the help of my husband, of course. Move it here so that we can properly visualize what's happening in that space. Because and as much as that office desk creates some structure, at the same time we need to figure out what's going to happen, Payan. Yeah. And I was actually entertaining the idea of doing some wall paneling around the house, like in the passage area and stuff. But you know, I'm saying, guys, and ndizingeni mna into zo-handyman ndizingeni and sana andimtyholi andibhemnye mnyeni wam because nam andikho mde kwezaa zinto. Oh, thank you, apple. It looks so sad. Andikho mde, so I'll see. I need to fix my lips. They're irritating me. So Tata, let me go get the Maldives vlog out and then see if I can consistently vlog. So today's Saturday. Maybe very later on. Maybe very warm. The camera will be clicking away one for the past 2 weeks. So I'm not cut out for this. But let me be cut out because I need 5,000 plus 5,300, I think, as of today. So I have to be cut out for this. It seems repetitive. I wake up, go to work, come back from work, maybe go for dinner. But that's like in and out because I'm going to pack for that day and that's it. I don't even go out for lunch with friends. I just go to church and I come back. And that's it. That's it. Apheleza nobusika mhlawumbe energy yami izobuya ukuphelile ubusika. Fine. It's like an hour later. My husband just woke up from his nap and he was like, I saw a place that has a very cheap-ish lunch special. I hope it's not just a weekday thing actually, because it's the weekend today. So I figured we are on the outside and we've just been fighting flus. I'm so warm. I am dressed so warmly. I'm wearing this long sleeve t-shirt from Munich. Let me moisturize my hands. Grab a sling bag. I don't know what I did with it. Sling bag and stresses me. So I haven't cut the hair, but I'll definitely cut it because once I'm finished, so I'll hat. So I'll deal with the hair tomorrow actually. So yeah, this is me. My husband is waiting for me. Let me go. I'm not even carrying a bag. I'm carrying my phone. It's scary that I happen. Jay is scary in general, like a house, a general house scissor. What else is as a kitchen?
Avoid celebrating.
Unfortunately, I cannot find the scissors, so I'll use the one I've got access to right now. And we'll just have to wash it. Oh, gosh.
I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Indesha friend ingaphandle. Yo, sesikhipha nesinqubulayo mode. Oh, kodwa kangaka sana. Sizomane sivela. Let's see. So why do you have dust? Oh, ndinenge rhuqeka bandithethe. Avelesana le nto. Spirit. Oh, the spirit is over like a stinger. Punch. Still. I don't know where. Anyway, I'm back from church and I've just changed. Decided to wear a duck. Can make mama walums for a change. The service was great. Ubanyana first was great, and then it was a main service. I just find it weird when people can see that I'm vlogging. We've got like a gardener from a few houses away that he needs to come and help us. Tell me why he's still working. Okay, he stepped away from the window. Tell me why he's still working. Like, didn't get up in 9:45. This guy was here from 8:30. I don't know, why is he still working? It's 2 o'clock on a Sunday. And that needed to be done. But Mr. Guy is still here. Okay, I don't know where he's gone to. But he's still busy. Because I didn't go to church last week and I missed out on Umtendele. You know that thing of, let me take a short nap, I'll wake up. You're 11:30, 30 minutes into the service. But I just continued to rest because I was feeling very exhausted. I just continued to rest. But yeah, it was good. I want to go now, make myself something to eat. I am starving. It is 2:07 and I need to eat, and then I need to chop up umleqwa, which I don't think I've got energy to cook right now because I'd wanted to. I thought I was going to defrost it last night already and I didn't, so I left it out this morning. But I just need to eat something now. I'm so hungry. I'm so famished. Papa, so tipping us. Let me charge my battery. I don't know, my battery looks flat, but I'm trying to charge it. I'm also trying to clear my kitchen because I'm cooking. Yeah, guys, I just wore this because I never wear kitchen, but I'm so cold. Yeah, bad. I've cooked umleqwa. That's done. I put it in the pressure cooker for an hour. That's done. I've sort of sauteed it on the stove top. I've cooked butternut. I'm going to wilt. Is it to wilt? I'm going to steam green beans. I initially wanted to make a nice warm meal. I'm currently boiling rice. I don't know if you can hear the background boil. So that's what's happening. I just want to clear out here and wash the dishes now so that I can finally get rid of the braids on my head. It's like after 5. It's actually 5:25. And I've been struggling with a YouTube video that's being copyrighted, the Maldives one. So, and guess, and I'm not about to sit down and mind a laptop because that takes a lot more time than doing anything else. So I just have to continue. Yeah, so I'm gonna wash my dishes. I'm charging, and I'm just realizing that I'm charging my batteries for the first time since we got back from Maldives. It's almost a month that we're back, and that's how long I have not been vlogging. Because the battery that I'm currently using right now, which is in charge, I thought has power and it doesn't have power. I've also checked my mics. My mics also don't have power, so so I have to talk as close as I can to the camera so that I can be heard. And I'm so used to walking around with the mic piece on. But again, I wanna close this button because I don't want to be cold. I want to be as warm as possible. Yeah, bad guys. Like, oh, I hope this is the last week. And at least we can go back to thinking twice about wearing jacket. But this is like I'm at home jacket. And funny because I'm kiwi because I never stand on it. It's not separate, so I don't want to be bothered. This is all the dirt I've had. I need to wash these. My husband is currently fighting a terrible sinus situation. It's not flu, it's like definitely sinus. And we've been using the fireplace a lot. So I think some of the wood we've been using haven't been good. And I picked up the same thing on myself the other week. So now we're back to the gas heater. It's unfortunate. I'm going to the scullery, so I think I'm gonna get the tripod so that I can put you guys on the tripod, because right now clearly we covered. So I can put you guys on the tripod and then we can chat and wash these dishes together. I'm watching a Shein haul. I don't know who the chick name is, but that's what I'm watching. It's gonna get me going. Where's this getting from by? So how I like to wash my dishes. So I figured let me not disturb my camera charging. I've been done cooking, but I've just been resting a bit. Also resting the pot so that we don't eat piping hot food. But I just want to show you what I made. It's not exactly how I planned it to come out, but I figured let's just eat what's in the house. So firstly, let me put this here because I've just prepped it. Let me show you. We just made this coleslaw because we've got this coleslaw mix, and this is my rice. Like it feels wrong eating white rice, but yeah, this is my rice. It's pressure cooked, so the color was not gonna be banging, but it smells and tastes good. And then these are some green beans. They've just got salt. And then I made some butternut, and this is our dinner today, our Sunday dinner. Yeah, figured let me not break my back and the bank.
Can you feel it, honey? Can you feel it, honey? Now you're way past that. All that bad, 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 bad. So bad, 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 bad. Can you see it, honey? Can you see it? See you past the trouble. Now you know the meaning of it all. It all. Didn't think it happened so soon, but that one afternoon you finally moved on. Letting go of all that he said and finally cared for yourself. You really moved on. And I feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. I feel it. I feel it. It's gonna be the ending about us, babe. From now on, let's just leave it all in the past and look how good we are.
I feel like this pencil is so dark.
That actually played the other day during the week.
No more bleeding, can't you see it healing? Hold on to that feeling, 'cause I know you're gonna get it right, 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 right. So right. Didn't need it, now you did
if it was assist in any way. Like, say, what can I do to make it easier for you, even if I'm just buying a bag of rice or something? Who has done that, you know?
We haven't looked into accommodation.
You must get a hotel.
And I told London to actually check. I was like, when I come back.
Did you think
Because
in the
he said-
options Tinder gave you? Did you send him the
I need
options?
to check again. I'll just have to send it to him.
Yeah, because those are
Because
nice.
he said he'll look into accommodation. I just bought the flights. We wanted to do via Vic Falls. Ooh. It looked so expensive. The flights to Vic Falls, even if you're flying through Livingston, doesn't matter. Like, yo.
You guys will definitely have to go back and experience it.
Because I wanted to do like a once-off thing.
Yeah.
I mean, clearly because
Doing a sanitizer.
7 days a week, 7 days a week.
have like
And I feel it, I feel it, feel it, I feel it. I feel it. It's already ending about as bad. For now, let's just leave it all in the past and look how good.
okay. Yeah, it's probably. You paid the number.
Yeah.
But I've got a glass, like a glass one like this. Actually, might as well take a video of the store. It looks so nice. I love it. What are you having? But it's gonna kanya cool. But it looks like the dab. Chef Loka, friendy. Hello, I thought I was gonna vlog namhlanje, but we went window shopping, but very expensive window shopping. It's a Saturday afternoon. So now we're back home to spend the next 2 months contemplating whether the second window shopping item we really need. So actually looking for a dishwasher, guys. I am beyond exhausted when it comes to washing dishes. And so no, Mr. MK, we are approve. We should get a dishwasher. So we're getting a dishwasher. And the other, I don't know if it's an everyday use, but Sana, I think it's needed, guys. I've seen like other 2 people households where people are like, no, get a dishwasher. It makes life easy. And plus, the colleagues, I'm always say that a dishwasher will save marriages. So that's why we are getting a dishwasher. We'll save mchato wetu. Bunga fail, no fail. But kaloku sisibezihlaba yazitya. Huh? Andim kaloku ngabantu benibabuza emsebenzini uba banazi dishwasher. Kyle, Vuyo, it saves marriage. I hear it saves marriages, so get it. And I don't think so we're getting a dishwasher. And then we were considering imoto, but Zana, it's expensive, guys. Like we keep, like I think we skip 2 months and then we go to a different brand and then we browse around imoto. And you know how those salespeople always ask if like how much your budget is for your motor. But Sana, they shouldn't know your affordability. I'm there to window shop, and that's the first thing I say is that I'm window shopping and I just want to see the differentiating things. And I always like sort of tone it down to one car. I think 2 months ago we went to Hyundai. I'm trying to say Kia. So I think we'll go to Toyota. Can't Toyota close by? We'll go to Toyota and then go to VW. But like we are not in the market for a car. We're just looking so that we are able to make a comparative decision. I'm having some frozen yogurt here from Woolies. The berry frozen yogurt. So that we can make like an informed decision and just do a comparative view based on what the different cars offer. Ngathi le phone ngathi sana in a beauty what filter. So we can make comparative decision, like views, and also see what each one sort of offers. So yeah. Oh, there's a tap here, you go. There's a tap. So, a man's going to tap here. I'm going to do content is going to be written off in my yank. How strong about the corners in using the washing machine? I can't answer, make. Yeah, but I was actually thinking, when was the last time I woke up and I was able to open my tongue and not feel too cold? The clean house. This is all we went around, so we always try not to get her to come through when we're not around. Huh? Oh, you're naked. Just boys if I can get load. It's when they washing basket to clean it. It's being a band. It's being a band. Time some long one. It's seemingly very dry. Oh, that's indeed valid. Some get time or some. Siyokhupha imali sifikile apho besibhalele khona eHershey's but it says entrance if ayikho phambili sifikile apho besibhalele khona sifike kundawo right sifumene ke dishwasher. It's exactly the one that we saw online, but you get it in store and you could actually be buying it at 6,000 rand because it's priced at 6,000 and so now if I was but I at 6,000.
We'll submit a receipt.
Chile, and also they're selling us a warranty to add in 3 years from the one that we have. And wait.
Yo!
And it's going to long. That's an eating long. Yeah, because if family saver all of a sudden the dishwasher yethu is behind us. Izinto umyeni wam andenza zona, I need to capture them so that ndizibone guys, ingabi ngathi nento zam jongani ndizawubona into zayikhupha imali ifake ebeleni lam le mali guys. Shame, I could never make things up. Ubukhona nanki na Sibuyile Hershey's. That is our dishwasher over there. I'm gonna try and attempt to unbox it. I don't know whatever happened to our proper pair of scissors, guys. So I'll use whatever I have to my disposal. And guys, what I want to say is it's so important to do a product inspection before you leave the store, because I can't believe that we were almost sold a product that has a dent, and you know what? Someone else is going to get that product. Like Dad is watching the game if you're wondering. Where is he? Why is he not assisting? I don't want anyone coming for my husband asking me, why are you having to do this thing alone? I don't think I'm going to be able to lift it. But I think I just want to show you guys. This is how it looks. I don't think I even looked at this. Oh, I did. The previous one I didn't even dare open because I could tell. I think you can see. Yeah, it's a 13 plate dishwasher. And like, it's not a today decision. Actually, we had been talking about it like these past couple of weeks, past month or so, that we're thinking of getting a dishwasher. So in case someone says, hi, Bo, but Vuyo, she asked this thing and then the next thing she's bought it. No, it's not a decision that was influenced by anyone on social media. It's something that we had actually intended to purchase. In a month. But the 15 plate one, this thing can fold inward and it can hold up to 15 plates, whereas this one holds about 13 plates. I don't know what this is for. I think it's for that top part. So let me not wash anything. This is the manual. I just want to take out these white things. So yeah, but I'm so excited for this purchase. Oh, and then another thing the 15 plate one comes with is that top tray for utensils, as this one doesn't. What are these things for? But as this one doesn't. What's happening here? I don't have to change anything with salt, seal. It looks like it was it's in a month. But yeah, so now I'm gonna get it suggests to get the finished pods. Yeah, it's not a digital one, it's an analog one. But wait, guys, as long as I win some savings, I'm not fussed about anything. What I'm excited about is that as I win some savings, we are going to have more time to our hands. Oh, and then it's going to go into that section over there. So I don't know where our water is going to go, because I feel like it's going to be easy. Oh, I feel like it's going to be easy. I just need my husband to finish watching whatever he's watching, and then see if I can. But in the meantime, I think the cup is plastic. You know, guys, we sell a sparkling water. So tell us to still water because I'm working a month. Chatani! Shall we need to see them now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 liters of water. What are you doing? Jonga kukwa wayo. Henza myeni. Sasusenza ngapha. Yeah, that's been sense of it. Umuntu ke sana guys funeka amkhethe kahle umyeni wakhe. Tsala kaloku. Ayini mina. Yeah. Hey. Londo. Inhloni. Sana wami umyeni. Kaloku amandla but uzawafumana after senzele. Friend, kaloku uphakamele yona nje. Ayiso zakho ezo biscuits. Kakazifumani ke umuntu wazi. Ewe, very good. Very good. But ke uthe ngathi upipe wayo. Ndiyawukroka. Oh, Sensitsho lo wofaka amanzi. Lo wokhupha amanzi manje ufuna ukutsho. Uske yaphezulu la nto yayo. Ah, ayihlohlwanga iplastiki. Theni ngathi bazawuthi khona izinto bezinyuka. Ndisusa idasti phaya. Izigcawu. There you go. Walela ke mna ke. Women in tech, women in hardware. Ndim women in hardware. Ndim women in tech. Ndim ke sana. Ndim gama lam nguNomalungisa. Uphuma amanzi le nto. Uphuma amanzi nje uphuma ubumdaka. Ewa, ngoku yayithestwa. Sana. Guys, women in plumbing. I am low woman. Yay! I was worried it's not gonna fit. Hayi sana. Ayingabikho ixingisa. Kaloku ndim woman in tech, woman in plumbing.
Empowerment.
La pipe and the plug it, I think. How strong? The plug it, but how strong man the light in the plug? Customer care line. Lendo. Engamathisela. Engamathisela phi kodwa?
Instruction.
Ithi into yakho. Iza nemop. Uzakufundela instruction like sule apha. Oh. Lento nesifake pha ngaphansi. Asukhupha umashini.
Ufuna ufaka na?
Ngaphansi. Jonga. This is where the thing opens. This is where imilenze is. So, lando ifaka apha ngaphansi kanje. Yabo, this is the side of machine. This is the door. Tsala sisifaka. Friend, you see, this is the front part, which is top facing. And then this is the bottom part, which is front facing, because umachini ulaliswe ngomva. Kumamele! Umachini ulaliswe ngomva. So, Baba, show and tell. Faka apa. Evening. I saw a borough. So we went to Parkhurst to buy a basket. I don't even think I showed you, sorry. This is a Parkhurst, and there was an entire like wine situation. I remember seeing it last week when I was there with Omuch, but I was like, we'll see. So like going to Parkhurst today, totally forgot that there's that event happening where it's like pop-up wine tasting, wine experience. It looked very good, by the way. So I wanted to buy the Wedgwood ice cream again, but we couldn't really find parking, and I think I also needed the ladies, and I was also just trying to ensure that I try and find a stand Salam where I saw baskets from last week. I felt terribly bad because I asked it to keep it aside, I'll come back, and I didn't come back. I mean, it was purposely not going back, but then I felt bad. Like, I'm just like, street vendors, guys, basokola as it is. So you don't want to lie to someone and say you'll come back and not come back. So today I just felt like I needed to go back and show Guti I had intentions of purchasing. I wasn't just wasting her time on asking price and stuff. It's just a backstory, which is unnecessary. I feel like this vlog is basically about today, And then so we ended up not buying the ice cream. I think I'll buy it another day because I also wanted my husband to try. It was not just about me. Oh, and then I went to when you shop, when you restaurant, that they were selling burvos, and I was telling number, I feel like you can't do adulting errands and not have burvos. Jay, something to snack on. You need it. But I didn't get it because one, I didn't want to walk all the way back to Nagla restaurant, and because I was wearing these flatties, so unfortunately on the way, and we wethu. So that was that. So now, I was like, no, we can actually have it for dinner. Say what? I'm waiting for the rolls to be delivered now. I'm waiting for the rolls to be delivered, and I also figured let me just buy dishwasher pods. So zisendleleni ngoku. And I'm just frying up my onion, but why is it taking forever? 30 minutes to get here. That's not on the way yet. Oh, and I scale okay, figure the sausage. Because my onion is sort of sauteed up, soft. Sometimes it feels like I should have just done 2 onions. And I think there was at some a vlog, I don't know if it was last year or earlier this year, someone was like, one thing about Mrs. M, she will chop up the entire onion. And in the end, guys, like, I just like that fried situation yet where. So yeah, I bought that and I bought sugar because we don't have sugar. So I figured let me also buy some burvos. Yeah, because I'm sure no was in the fridge and I didn't even want to look. Yo, I got to get up already. We are these people now. It smells so good. Oh yeah, this is the brand we figured we should buy. Because Sitley was saying it has a rinse thing.
I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey.